SCON Design is a market leader in the provision of detailed engineering survey services in Dadri, Noida. SCON Design provides superior survey services that are tailored to the individual demands of their clients, thanks to their knowledge and dedication to perfection. The business has a staff of highly qualified experts who are experienced in carrying out thorough surveys for various engineering projects in Dadri, Noida. SCON Design guarantees that their survey services are precise, dependable, and provided within the predetermined timeline for any infrastructure projects, including those involving the erection of buildings, roads, or other physical features. The thorough approach of SCON Design is one of the main benefits of using their detail engineering survey services. The organization is aware that each project is different and needs a specific survey approach. To create a survey plan that satisfies the particular objectives of their clients in Dadri, Noida, they consider a variety of variables, including site circumstances, project requirements, and local legislation. By doing this, it is ensured that the survey results are precise and offer useful information for the project's effective completion. A wide variety of survey methods and technologies are included in SCON Design's detail engineering survey services in Dadri, Noida. The business uses cutting-edge tools, including total stations, DGPs receivers, and laser scanners to get precise data for its surveys. They are able to provide extremely accurate measurements of the project site as a result, enabling effective planning and design. In order to process the survey data and produce thorough reports that aid decision-making throughout the project lifetime, SCON Design also makes use of cutting-edge software and analysis tools. Topographic mapping, boundary surveys, and volumetric analysis are some of the value-added services the business provides. SCON Design is the industry's top supplier of detailed engineering survey services in Dadri, Noida. SCON Design provides top-notch survey services that are tailored to their clients' individual needs, thanks to their experience and dedication to perfection. A team of highly qualified professionals who are experienced in carrying out thorough surveys for various engineering projects in Dadri, Noida, work for the organization. SCON Design makes sure that their survey services are precise, dependable, and provided within the predetermined period, whether it is for the construction of buildings, roads, or infrastructure projects. Utilizing SCON Design's detailed engineering survey services has a number of benefits, including their thorough methodology. The business is aware that each project is distinct and needs a specialized survey plan. They construct a survey plan that satisfies the unique objectives of their clients in Dadri, Noida, taking into account numerous elements like site circumstances, project requirements, and local legislation. This guarantees that the survey results are accurate and offer insightful information for the project's successful completion. The detail engineering